I just received these human hair extensions and I'm going to be trying a long vintage hairstyle. So it came in a hairnet with some care instructions and a comb. I did end up washing them and toning them just a little bit, just to match my hair a little bit more. I then started clipping them in. And since I will be curling these, my fluffy hair doesn't really matter all too much. I started out by parting some sections. If you don't have a comb, you can use the one that they provided, and you just create straight lines around your head. So after they are all in, you might look a little crazy like me. I started using a barrel roller and I pinned them in place, at least until they cooled down. I did backcomb and mold some of the underside, as you can see here. Then I just continued rolling as close to my head as I possibly could. And yes, I did add some of my own layers. Because the top of my head is pretty layered, I just wanted it to seem more realistic. I then took some bobby pins and placed them behind my ear, and then following up with some hairspray to hold it in place. And after I brush and molded the hair, I looked like this. What do you guys think? Short hair or long hair?